Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning guys. Maglilinis na naman tayo guys. It's time for cleaning every day guys. Every day we are going to clean our house. Even though this is my house guys, this is not yet finished, but it's good to stay here clean, always clean, you know. Cleanliness is our treasure. So I need to clean every day, cleaning